Hi guys, yan, dumating na pala yung box namin guys, galing Austria. Tapos, ang tagal nitong nakarating dito guys. Inaabot siya ng 5 months. Kasi may nakaproblema daw doon sa Taiwan, kaya ngayon lang siya dumating. Yan, buti na lang may 3 months pa kami ditong natira. Makakain pa kami dyan sa mga laman na yan.
Printed name and signature.
Ano din ako, mabot sa Cebu, i-deliver na dito sa balay.
Oo, basta may schedule sa nom sa Cebu
schedule.
City. Then adila Lapu-Lapu.
I just sent that email yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, we sinable history kay na-delete man eh.
Mo ba?
Sa China daw. Asa to? China ba to?
Sa China siya naman? Dugay?
Nagdugay. Wrap. This is the one you're waiting for, honey na. Sige. Sige. Wow. See? See until here, right? Yeah, we don't need honey. Ayan guys, nagutom din si Mr. na mag-unboxing, kaya umalis kami, naghanap ng restaurant at dito kami nakarating sa Raon Square. Tingnan natin ang foods nila guys kung gaano kasarap. Sabi ng pamangkin ko masarap daw to dito. Ayan, see you! Ayan, there's the grill up there.
Let's make a round and check it out, and then we eat something.
Where's that? Here, go up here. Okay, come in. Oh, that's funny. Nobody in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe they have upstairs too. No, upstairs?
We look at the video.
No. Those are 1, 2, honey?
Huh?
Those are 1, 2?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
1-4.
Huh?
1-4.
Oh, 1, 4?